careful. Oh my gosh! Last week, after a big day's sail from Logomont in France heading east towards Marseille, we dropped the anchor late one night in a tiny little anchorage.
It's amazing facing the ones that you love while alone you've grown to.
Well, I've woken up this morning and I'm pretty impressed. So we are at the Calanque de Sormiou. Calanque is a word for like a narrow valley made of limestone or dolomite or some rock like that, and this place is famous for its rock climbing. So we're about to jump in the dinghy and head to shore and see what we can find or climb. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I don't think there's much going on land. There's only like a few buildings, but those are the best places. Do you reckon it'd be good diving here? I think it would.
Close to Marseille.
We should ask if there's any caves or stuff around. The water's so blue. We just pulled the dinghy up on the beach here and the man said that we can't leave it here and we have to tow off to one of these Blanco moorings. So poor house is going to swim back, and I don't know how we're going to get our backpack with all the cameras and stuff back to the boat, but that's okay, we'll figure it out. Taking one for the team.
It's alright.
Listen to the bugs. They're so loud.
Race the caves.
Must be. Back to the boat.
Yeah, only dive along these cliffs.
Let's do it.
You can't click record when you're down there because the pressure's too much on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. That's weird.
In July, I learned all the old things, and they glow, and they glow, and they glow, and the fire still sings. Only a fool would let you go. Only a fool would. I'm down on my knees. I'm down on my knees.
This is incredible.
Amazing, no?
Wow. Be careful. Yeah, right in the middle. Oh my gosh!
Is it right? Is it right?
Here you go. So the battery died on the GoPro and we've just raced back to the boat because we need to head off anyway, but we need to grab Daniel and show him this cave. It is absolutely amazing. We found a swim through and there's this like orange rock wall, and yeah, we had to go back. So we have a fully charged GoPro ready to go.
Hey guys, if you've enjoyed the movie so far, or if you haven't but you predicted it'll get better later on, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're new here, and if you aren't new here and you have subscribed, hit the notifications button.
It's a bell.
Bell. And we would like to invite on board one of our patrons, Mum's Lego. We randomly selected you before. Congratulations, Mum's Lego.
Thanks.
So yeah, get in touch with us and we will try to facilitate your adventure on board.
All right. Now follow me. I don't think Daniel's gonna make it through, but this is the red caves I was talking about. It's incredible. You did it! Yeah! I know, how cool is it?
Wow. What is that up there, the ropes?
Wow, incredible.
How'd you go, guys?
Good.
That was awesome.
You got anything close to that rock?
We'll be right.
Honestly, incredible. Those people ziplining. Go forwards on that hull, I'm not kidding. It's right there.
Yeah.
What's the plan? What's the plan for today and tomorrow?
We're going to Porquerolles. I've just downloaded the weather and we are going to need to plan the route for tomorrow. I've just done that. It's going to be between 15 and 25 knots from pretty much directly behind us, maybe 150. So we'll head out and we need to leave by at least 8 AM. It was supposed to be a lot windier than this, but I think this is what the Mediterranean's like. There's like 15 knots of wind about 20 miles that way. And then in here there's nothing. So that was tipped to be in closer today. So we missed out on that, so unfortunately we've got a motor. There's a little bit, we could be sailing at 2 knots, but then we wouldn't see any of this Porquerolles.
And MaJlo said Porquerolles is amazing.
Not
so,
to be missed, he said.
Yeah, I'm very excited. Oh my gosh. This boat over here just came real close to ours and we had both of our fishing lines out and Riley's nude.
I ran down the back and I was like winding in like anything and screaming and yelling at that other boat naked. But they tacked and went back the other way.
That's really funny.
And all waved at me. They came pretty close.
Yeah.
We're motoring, so it is our fault, but we both acknowledged each other a long way off, and then they went to go behind us and came pretty close to our fishing lines.
What were you doing? Are you sunbaking?
Just listening to my audiobook. Peter Frankopan, The Silk Roads.
I like it. Daniel's asleep, that's why Riley's nude.
I hope he's not there because my private parts are squished against the window.
If Daniel walks outside. Can't get the boy to keep his pants on. Meanwhile, inside, I've been a busy girl, just helping Daniel with episodes, and it's really hot today, but I'm trying to be very sun smart, so I'm wearing one of Riley's shirts, because I'm getting old, I'm noticing some new freckles, and it's not okay.
scared to catch the flight. This is the thing you can't buy. But now I need to face my debts. Have to pay, have to pay. The true love is state of mind.
Porquerolles is the largest, most westerly of the 3 Isles de Heries. It is about 7 kilometres long by 3 kilometres.
That's boring.
Yep. The island, okay, we're in the village, so let's talk about the village. The island village was established in 1820 with its lighthouse constructed in 1837 and church in 1850. The entire island was purchased in 1912 by Francis Joseph Fournier, apparently as a wedding present for his wife. He planted 200 hectares of vineyards which produced a wine that was among the first to be classified as Vin des Côtes de Provence. I know I would have said that wrong.
E meu cunhado já me avisou. Esse trabalho me vai decretar. A minha sogra me orientou. Se não tá certo é melhor parar. Falei, ela não quis ouvir. Pedi, ela não respeitou. Eu juro a cara, ela não calou. Falei, ela não quis ouvir. Pedi, ela não respeitou. Eu juro a cara, ela não calou.
Good morning everyone. It's about 8 in the morning and we are heading off to Corsica today. I'm making Riley a coffee, that's what that very loud noise is. And I'm making homemade ice cream out of bananas that have gone a bit too ripe. And this is coconut oil, bananas, mushed up, maca powder, peanut butter. It's bueno. How are we this morning?
Good, thank you. Troy just pointed out that this rock up here looks like a dude going.
Oh yeah.
Just the hands, not the head turn around and tongue poke out.
Weather conditions today.
They're gonna get very wild. 25 knots at some stage. So we're going from Porquerolles to Corsica. There's almost nothing at the moment, but as I said, as I pointed out in the med, it changes a lot in only 10 miles. So 10 miles that way, it's going to be about 15 knots according to the weather. And as we start getting closer to Corsica, in about 5 hours or 6 hours, it'll pick up to about 25 knots.
So it seems that I've been rather foolish for some time, trying to chase without dreams you left behind.
Really?
We just got 22 knots and I'm telling Riley we need to take a read now. Babe, come on.
Yeah, you never know until you've seen it all for yourself.